Hello friends, in this video we are going to share with you one Silver Zone Olympiad paper of class 2 for subject iSSO, that is International Social Studies Olympiad for year 2023-24. In this paper we have section A, section B. Section A consisting of general SST with 15 questions and section B scholar zone with 10 questions. It means there are total 25 questions. Let's see the paper. Section A, general SST. Question number 1. Who are siblings? Options given are father's mother-in-law, B, your cousin's mother, C, brother and sisters with the same mother and father, D, your father's mother or father. If we consider what are siblings, who are siblings, then it is brother and sisters with the same mother and father. So answer C is correct. Question number 2. Which of the following is the place meant for crossing the road? To cross the road, we all know that we use zebra crossing with black and white stripes. So option A is correct. Now next question, question number 3. What should you do if you accidentally touch someone in a way that makes them uncomfortable and they tell you to stop? Let's read the options. Option number 1, A, laugh and continue, no. B, tell them they are overreacting, no, it is also incorrect. C, ignore them, no. D, say sorry and stop immediately, yes, these are the good manners. Say sorry and stop immediately. So option D is the answer. Now question number 4. Which of the following is not a natural fiber? Option A, cotton, B, nylon, C, jute, D, silk. We have to find out which is a natural fiber. Natural means that is obtained from the nature, natural things like plants. Cotton we get from cotton plant, jute from jute plant. Nylon is not a natural fiber, it is an artificial man-made fiber, and silk we get from silkworm, that is an animal. So B, nylon is not a natural fiber, it is an artificial man-made. So option B is correct. Now question number 5. Which of the following is an image of a permanent house? We have to find out which is permanent, not temporary. Let's see the options with the pictures have been given. Option A, houseboat. Option B, carva. Option C, tent. Option D, pakka house. If we see A, B and C, these are the temporary houses and option D only is the permanent house. So D is the correct answer. Now coming to question number 6. Find one word from the given options that will meaningfully fill all the gaps of the sentences given below. We have to fill in the blanks with a single word. We are given with 2 blanks. Let's read number 1. We all go to dash to learn and play. Number 2. Dash includes library and classrooms. If we see the options given, A, hospital, B, post office, C, school, D, tuition. We all go to hospital, no. To learn and play, no. We all go to post office to learn and play, no. We all go to school to learn and play, yes, it is correct. Let's come to the second. Schools includes library and classrooms, yes, it is also correct. So the word school will fill all the gaps of the sentences given. So option C is correct. Now coming to question number 7. Letters, money orders and parcels are related to dash. We have to find out from which thing that they are related. First is police station, no. B, post office, yes. Letters, money orders and parcels are related to post office. So option B is correct. Now question number 8. Which symbol represents the Ashoka Chakra on Indian national flag? A, tiger, B, wheel, C, lotus, D, peacock. If we have seen the Indian flag, it is of 3 colors. First one is saffron, second is white and third one is green. So and if we see in the white line wise stripe of Indian flag, there is one Ashok Chakra and it is representing wheel. So option B is correct. Question number 9. Which of the following statements is correct? Statement 1. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. Yes, it is correct. Statement 2. Dashera or Vijayadashmi celebrate the victory of good over evil. Yes, it is also correct. We see Ramayana in this. Statement 3. Christmas is celebrated to mark the birth of Lord Buddha. No, it is incorrect. If we talk about Christmas, Christmas is celebrated to mark the birth of Lord Jesus, not Buddha. So, it is incorrect. Only statement 1 and 2 are correct. So, we will tick mark the answer A. Question number 10. Identify the object from the given description. Let's read the description. It is the fastest means of transport and can reach distant places in a few hours. It is the most expensive means of transport. We have to find out which is the most expensive and fastest with which we can reach distant places in few hours. Let's read the options. A. Steamer, no. B. Metro, no. C. Bus, no. D. Aeroplane. Yes, it is an aeroplane. So D is the correct answer. Question number 11. Which of the following statements about air is true? We have to find out which is true about air. If we read the sentences, air has speed. Yes, air has speed. A is correct. B. Polluted air is essential for humans to remain healthy. No, it is incorrect. We cannot feel the air, but we can feel the air, so it is incorrect. Air is essential only for plants and not human beings. No, it is also incorrect. So only A statement is correct. Question number 12. In this particular season, days are long and nights are short. The sun shines very brightly and it is very hot. Which season is this? So we have to find out which season about they are talking. Sun shines very brightly, days are long, nights are short, and it is the season of summer. So correct option is C. Question number 13. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. A statement has been given. We have to fill in the blanks. The sun rises in the dash and sets in the dash. It is a very easy answer. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. We always read these statements, and so option B is correct. Question number 14. Which of the following will lead to water pollution? We have to find out which causes water pollution. Let's read statement A. Blocking the flow of drain water into a river or lake. No. Throwing of garbage and leftover waste in a water body. Yes. When we throw garbage and leftover waste in a water body, it leads to water pollution. So option B is correct. Question number 15. Identify the image given below. If we see the image given, it is only sandy area. We can see only sand. So let's read the options. A. Mountain. No, we cannot see mountain. B. Valley. No, we cannot see valley. C. Island. No, it is not an island. D. Desert. Yes, sandy area is a desert. So we call it desert, and option D is correct. Now coming to section B. Scholar zone. Question number 16. Which of the following is an internal organ of our body? We have to find out the internal organs from the given 4 options. Let's see the options. With the pictures have been given. A is nose, B is eye, C is ear, D is heart. If we see A, B and C, they are the external organs. Only D, heart, is the internal organ. So D is the correct answer. Question number 17. Read the statements carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. Fish, chicken, eggs, pulses and milk are bodybuilding foods. Statement 2. Rice, potato, sugar and butter are energy giving food. Statement 3. Junk food and sweets protect us from various diseases and are called protective foods. No, statement 3 is incorrect because they are not protective foods. They can cause diseases. So only statement 1 and statement 2 are correct and statement 3 is not correct. So let's find out the answer. In option D it is given statement 2, 1 and 2 are true and 3 is false. So D is the correct answer. Now question number 18. Which place of worship do Christians go to? We have to find out at which place from the given places Christians go to worship. A. No. B. No. C. Yes. C is the church and Christians go to church. So C is the correct option. D is the Gurdwara. No, it is not the correct option. So only C. Question number 19. I was built in Agra by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz. I am made up of marble. Who am I? If we have studied about a little bit about history, Mumtaz in the memory of beloved wife Mumtaz, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan had built a Taj Mahal. So option D is correct and it is in Agra. Question number 20. Identify the freedom fighter in the given picture, and if we see a picture has been given, we have to find out who is this. Let's read the options. A. Subhash Chandra Bose. No, it is not Subhash Chandra Bose picture. B. Udham Singh. No, he is not Udham Singh. C. Bhagat Singh. Yes, this is the picture of Bhagat Singh. So C option is correct. Question number 21. If the big hand, minute hand, is on 12 and the small hand, hour hand, is on 4, what time is it? We have to find out the time of the given clock, and minute hand and hour hand is given. Hour hand is on 4 and minute hand is on 12. So it is 4 o'clock. Option B. Question number 22. Who among the following uses a wrench, pliers and hose cutter? We have to find out which person uses these given tools. A. Barber. No. B. Tailor. No. C. Porter. No. D. Plumber. Yes, D is the correct answer. Plumber. Question number 23. Fill in the blank. Statement 1. The natural world around us is called dash. We have to find out the correct answer. A. Solar system. B. Environment. C. Constellations. D. Universe. The natural world around us is called environment. So B is correct. Option B. Question number 24. Which is the closest planet to the sun? Options given are A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Earth. D. Mars. We have to find out which is closest planet to the sun. Mercury is the closest planet, so it is option A. Question number 25. Last question of this paper. Find the odd one out. A. Dashera. B. Diwali. C. Christmas. D. Republic Day. If we talk about 3 A, B, C options, 3 options, these all are the religious festivals. But D. Republic Day is not a religious festival, it is a national festival. So option D is correct. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, share and like the video so that your other friends, other neighbors and your relatives can also get our channel.